Entrata Property Management. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Entrata is an end-to-end property management software solution targeting large multifamily portfolios and student housing operators. Its core features revolve around a centralized database powering marketing, leasing, resident management, accounting, and facilities management. Marketing capabilities include ILS syndication, customizable websites, and integrated SEO tools. Leasing focuses on online applications, automated screening, and digital lease execution. Resident management covers rent collection, maintenance requests, and communication portals. The accounting module offers robust general ledger functionality, budgeting, and financial reporting compliant with GAAP standards. Facilities management integrates with maintenance workflows, vendor management, and preventative maintenance scheduling. Entrata excels due to its single platform design, eliminating the need for multiple integrations and ensuring data consistency. This centralized approach leads to improved operational efficiency and enhanced reporting capabilities. Furthermore, its robust accounting and financial management features cater specifically to the complex needs of large-scale multifamily operations. However, Entrata's complexity can be a significant drawback. The steep learning curve requires extensive training and onboarding, making it less suitable for smaller property management companies. Cost is another crucial consideration. Entrata is priced at the higher end of the spectrum, typically involving significant upfront implementation fees and ongoing subscription costs, which could be prohibitive for some businesses. Customization, while a strength, can also be a challenge. Tailoring the platform to specific workflows requires technical expertise and can be time-consuming and costly. Scalability is a primary strength, but that is not as useful for clients who don't have large portfolios. Ultimately, Entrata is a powerful solution designed for large multifamily and student housing operators seeking a comprehensive, integrated platform. Its centralized database, robust accounting, and advanced features offer significant advantages in terms of efficiency and reporting. However, its complexity, high cost, and demanding implementation process make it less suitable for smaller companies with limited resources. Before choosing Entrata, carefully assess your portfolio size, budget, technical capabilities, and specific operational requirements to determine if it aligns with your needs. Consider exploring alternative solutions like Yurdi or RealPage if you have smaller portfolios or tighter budget constraints.